Go Yard.
Welcome to another Trade Wars Season 2. We are on episode 7, I believe. Could be wrong. I'm really terrible with numbers, apparently. But I've got my new Degen glasses on, so we're all good. We're all good. We have some amazing guests today battling head to head. I'm really curious to see if someone can dethrone our previous champion, Magnus, who is on X. So this will be an exciting trade wars to get involved with. Now we are going to be pulling up Z Soulworks on X. I'm going to drop his banner here so you can find him. Okay, so as we're talking, you can look him up on X. I know you guys love to do your research. He is the founder of Poll.Fun, which is an awesome little app that he created that, frankly, is criminally undervalued. So we're going to go ahead and bring him up now.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Going good. So I wanted to learn a little bit more about your backstory, just quickly, just a TLDR about your backstory, how you got involved in Solana, and then what you're working on right now with Poll.Fun.
Yeah, absolutely. My background before crypto was digital healthcare, so very, very different.
Oh, wow.
Introduced into crypto through my dad in particular. Probably about 6-7 years ago now. Completely missed the mark first time around. Saw it in the news. Second cycle, ended up buying a bag of Solana pretty close to all-time highs, and that kind of got me stuck into the space ever since.
Oh, you did what I did. How did your dad get you involved? That is wild. Oh, yeah, wow.
He's an interesting character. He's always shooting different arrows and trying to see what sticks. He brought
That's amazing
names back in
I
the
love
back
people
in
like
the day.
that.
He's made a lot of wrong predictions, but the good ones have been pretty decent.
The good ones outweigh the bad. Yeah, well, welcome to my life. I have horrible predictions. I bought Solana at the peaky top and rode it all the way down. Thankfully, I bought more at the bottom. I was like, I'm convicted. Let's go.
Yes, exactly the same as me.
Yeah, I at $14, dude. $14. That's where I bought back in, went full hog. All right. Well, what a little bit about Poll. What is Poll? Why should people want to download it on their phone? How freaking cool is it?
Yeah, for sure. So Poll at its core is a platform, iOS and web, that lets you bet against your friends.
Yes.
You can create a bet on anything. Can be as silly as who's going to get laid tonight, who's going to get drunk. It can be as driven or as goal driven as, let's say, are you going to hit 70 kilo bench press, although you should be pushing it a bit higher. Can bet on anything. You can invite your friends. You get like a custom link per bet, and there's 2 or 3 different resolution options. The most common one is group chat vote. So everyone who wagers gets 1 vote. It's a majority consensus. If there's a tie, we just refund everyone. So really simple mechanism. And then the second option is creator decides. So useful if you want to arbitrate between your friends. And it's a winner takes all model. So if you win, you take all the cash. If you and someone else wins, it's split appropriately between the 2 of you.
Sick. Yeah, the app itself, like I said, is criminally undervalued, especially today with just all the prediction markets and stuff like that. This is so cool. You can literally, obviously they're involved in crypto, but the other thing that you didn't mention is that it doesn't just have to be crypto, right? You have like an onboarding process, or am I wrong?
Spot on. So on iOS, you can bring in cash using Apple Pay.
There you go.
Completely normie. You don't have to worry about crypto at all.
Yep. Which is super cool. It's actually a really cool way to onboard. So like, let's say you're watching football, you want to take a bet, dude, you can literally onboard your friend right next to you. And then there's real money on the line, not just, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
It's super cool. So if you guys have a chance, check it out. I do have of course, the X account down in the scroller here, but he's on a bit of a time limit, so we're going to get right into trading. Whenever you want to share your screen when you're up with the funded wallet, we can go ahead and get started. I'm going to add some delicate, nice mood music.
Okay, awesome.
Let's see. Which one are we going with today? Oh, no, that's a little too hard. I feel like this is good. Yeah, a little background. Let's go. Let me know if you can share your screen. If you cannot, no big deal. I will go ahead and share. Oh, cool. Let's go. Let me know when it's Seifu.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Let's go, man.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I'm excited. This is my first week back in like 2 weeks.
Nice.
Oh, dude.
Okay, so am I... Can we have a discussion before I place my trade? You know,
of course. Yeah, you open your trade whenever you feel comfortable. Okay. My recommendation is always the 1 minute for entries, and then 15 to 4 hours, for like macro, where are we going?
Okay.
That's what I normally do.
All right. Okay, let's go 15 1 hour. I guess my initial assumption is we're going down a little bit more.
Yeah. Definitely.
Would I put my money on the line? I'm not sure. You could say we're forming a bottom. You know, there's some bullish news coming out in the news. Maybe I'm overthinking it too much. I'm not sure.
I'm not. What does it look like on the 1 minute? I overthink everything.
It looks like a heavy selling.
Ooh, okay.
So maybe we place a short. How degenerate are we going?
Oh, dude, you could go. So with Degen mode, is Degen mode on? Oh, there we go. Turn Degen mode on. There we go. You could do 500x all the way to, and then make sure there's $100 in there. You could do Degen mode from 125 to 500. You could do BTC, ETH, or Sol. So those are the markets that are available for this competition.
Insane amount of leverage. Okay. Let's go 125.
Are you shorting? Let's go. Yeah. You're the dude. No one shorts on here. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's too underrated.
Oh, yeah, it really is.
Chase this.
Everybody gets afraid of shorting.
All right, I'll do a market. Or I need to approve. Let's go.
Yes. And don't worry, we can't see the approval or anything. We just saw you. But that was super smooth. Oh my gosh. Right on the money. Let's go.
Should I set a take profit or?
The TPs and the stop losses, you could do it straight on the chart. So if you go to the chart.
Oh, cool.
And you see that little X right there, the green X box. Oh, not that X. The green highlighted on the right next to the price. Sorry. So on the chart, watch this. On the chart itself, put your cursor over it.
Yeah.
Let's see. So put your cursor right there, and then you'll see that little circle with the plus symbol. If you go up a little. There we go. If you see it, once you go all the way up, just a little here, I could show you on my, there you go. That guy you just hovered over. You can click that and it opens it up.
Oh,
there you go. Yeah, there you go. Is it not working? Oh, there you go.
There we go. Yeah,
yeah. You can trade straight on the charts. It's super cool. So if you want to set a TP at an exact spot, you could do it just from the chart. You don't even have to put in the numbers or anything. Super cool.
Are we going to get liquidated live on stream?
Oh, no. Don't get liquidated. No. Come back down.
What's the highest P&L you've seen so far?
So far, we had Magnus, who I believe it was $53 in total, was the actual P&L. So at the end of, he actually had it higher, but then he made one more bad trade. So it brought it down from like 80. But yeah, that was the max so far. He holds the crown.
So he
made some early bad trades, but then he really caught himself back up. And I was like, I saw him. I was like, yeah, that's how you do it. Slow and steady.
Do you see most people make multiple trades or just one trade?
Most people that have been on have made multiple, yeah. So they'll typically do like 200x on BTC, and then only do like $20, and then they'll do like $30 on Sol, because they'll do like multiple markets.
Gotcha. Okay, let's have a look. Whoa. That's very. Oh, I think I've used it all of the things. As you can tell, I'm not a very good trader.
No. Yeah, it's totally fine. I'm horrible. Absolutely terrible.
Should we leave them open until the end of the stream? Or?
No, you could close them, open them, do whatever you want. This 15 minutes is all yours to make whatever decision that you would like. You can do anything at all.
Okay.
Any decisions.
I feel like we should leave it open.
Yeah.
Until we get
actually, what's funny is we had a guy on here who literally, I was like, if you just reverse Kramered him, you would have made a killing. It was just so funny. He was literally getting caught at the top and the bottom the whole time. I'm not going to call him out. If you watch the Trade Wars religiously, you'll see.
You'll find out who it is. Oh.
Yeah. It was really funny. At the end, he was like, oh, that was brutal. I was like, yeah, sorry about that. But it's all good. It's all for fun. This is all obviously not how you would typically trade. So
yeah, this is not how you trade at all. All right, let's maybe go long.
You've got time. You've got time constraint, which can be definitely puts a little edge on it.
Yeah, bloody hell. The music makes it 10 times better.
Yeah. I'm like, dude, I gotta have something that's just like pumping me up. Let's go.
Let's fucking go, man.
It's so crazy too, because the trades are just executing
very smoothly. I was going to ask, is it multi-collateral?
This is not. No. So this collateral would be, if you took a Sol, it would be in Jito Sol. So the execution is really smooth because of that. It's not just in the Sol; it'll be in Jito Sol. You just can't see it, obviously. We don't.
Yeah.
Nice. But the execution's nice, and the LPs enjoy the extra yield. How about that?
And there's different pools, right? There's like
Oh yeah. We've actually got an 8th pool coming out here soon. That will be super interesting. And if you tuned into Flash Hour, which is every Monday at 4 p.m. UTC, so same as today with Trade Wars, you would see that Flash Hour, we called out, we're going to have an OR pool. So that is.
Oh, nice. Nice.
But yeah, each pool, we have the majors and FLP1, which is our highest performing pool. If you had held FLP1 instead of like holding BTC, ETH, or Sol in its native, asset, FLP1's outperformed, I believe, by about 30%. So you'd be above by 30%. So we track that obviously because it's pool performance for us. It's an important metric. So it's doing really well. We've just added ZCash or ZEC to it. So we're in the Z army.
Nice. Mert is happy.
Oh, Mert's happy. I made a call out to him, funny enough, during one of our videos, if you saw it. Super funny.
What's your thoughts on ZCash?
I was like, I'm looking at you, Mert. Have us on the podcast. On ZCash? Oh,
yeah.
I mean, it's great tech, proof of work. It's time tested. I mean, come on. What more can you ask for? You know what I mean? Look at that rally. Holy moly.
Insane.
Yeah, that's
2,000%.
Ouch. Well, somebody's really happy.
Yeah, Mert.
Yeah, right?
Mert is jumping over joy, right?
Oh, for sure. All right, we're up $2. We're up to 270, 275%. Let's go. Oh, don't do it. Dude, they move so quick on the one. If we had the 1 second, it would be insane.
That would be good entertainment, right?
Oh, man. Have you ever had the 1 second on TradingView?
Yeah, on TradingView.
it looks like you're on like acid. It's
Yeah,
like moving like crazy. I actually know a trader who is seriously, I'm not kidding. He's amazing. He's in Mason's DAO. Trades every day, 24. I believe it's like 24/7, 7 days a week. Like it's pretty nuts space. Mason's DAO. If you ever get the chance to join that, but one of the traders in there trades on the 1 second, and he is unbelievably good. His P&L shows it.
That's very. Is that Mason? That's Mason.
Yeah, Mason. Yep.
Oh, cool.
He's actually an English guy too.
Nice. Yeah. He's close by then.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's so funny because I forget how like Florida is the size of England.
Oh bloody hell, man! Yeah, Florida is enormous compared to the UK.
That's what I always forget because I'll go over there and I'm like traversing around and I'm like, oh, it only took me 4 hours to like the whole country, and from one end to the other, and I'm like, Florida alone would take me like 9.
Yeah, easily, and you'd see a lot more diverse wildlife. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, for sure. Especially if you're in Ireland. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong.
Oh, the pump chart looks good.
Ooh, pumpy pump. Yeah, right now, if I'm just spitballing it, I'm going to say we are probably setting up for, I'm on the larger time frame. Let's see. Oof. Yeah. Kind of looks like you were correct, like directionally on the long term. That we could see a next little legaroony down. But I could be wrong. I mean, this could be forming a bottom. It could have hit. It looks like there has been massive support here in the past, which is good. This is a really big support zone but it's down at 150 on the low, so like 160-ish on the high. Well, yeah, 155 on the high. So yeah, hard to say. But it definitely looks like we're playing the downward angle right now. But we'll see.
Lots of was it lower highs?
Lower highs.
Yeah.
For sure. Hate that. We are wanting to pump and it's just lingering.
Yeah, it's just it just keeps following us at night.
Uh-huh. Sideways chop is the worst. It kills traders.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because then you enter at the middle of the range and you get totally screwed.
You get
let's go. Pump out of here.
Is there a funding cost on this?
A funding cost? Yes. You're talking about the fees. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah. So I guess on a centralized perps exchanges, you would have a funding fee every like 8 hours, I think it is.
Yep. So we do have a funding fee that will be charged on exit. And that is actually already reflected here. If you go over P&L without fees and then margin fee and close fee, it's not technically a funding fee. But yeah, you do have the margin fee and then the close fee.
Gotcha.
Which is all calculated there, thankfully. So we actually know what we're getting.
No guessing involved.
Yeah, exactly. Definitely can be a little tricky if you don't know right off the bat, right off the rip. No. See, it's ranging. This is what I do this every single live. It's kind of
you pick it whilst it's ranging.
I just no. I always do the wedge. The wedges always help. See, the only problem is this is a cone. This is not my falling wedge. This is like a straight sideways wedge. I don't know. This is so hard directionally to know whether it's going to break up or break down when you have something like this. Normally, if you have a rising wedge, you're probably going to, you know what I mean? Like,
bounce up. Yeah.
And then if you have a falling wedge, obviously, I think there's like some sort of percentile that you're going to break down. I don't know, it's like 70% or something. But like, right, see, this is like a falling wedge. Oh, sorry, it's on your screen. You could see like right there on your screen, there looked like there was a falling wedge and then it just shot down. And then now we're just sideways action. Yeah, exactly.
Maximum.
So like now it's like, oh, I don't know. This could be the bottom. It could be ranging in the bottom and then boom, we spring out of it.
Do most participants trade the major three? Or do any
Yeah,
of them?
right now on Degen mode, we only have the major three. So
Gotcha.
BTC, ETH, and Sol. But we are expanding it. We just have to, especially with like margin engines and things, we have to make sure that all the safety mechanisms are in place so that nothing goes awry.
Absolutely. You don't want to get liquidated out of the blue, right?
Yeah, yeah, that would suck. Especially on like meme coins and stuff like that. It's far more challenging. I can imagine the team knows way more than I would on any of that. They're, like I said, not admittedly not the math guy.
No, totally. I should dive into the docs for that.
Yeah, we do. We actually do have the docs for the margin engine, but yeah, Zahib is the brain, and Rashid, both of them are the brains for that operation. Everything would go sideways if you put me in charge.
What are you still bullish on gold?
On which one?
On gold.
Oh, gold, of course. I think the train doesn't stop, unfortunately. You've got nation states that are just accumulating so fast. It's not even, even corrections are kind of like a blip. Because you can even see there's not, if I go to the large time frame, like it went to 4,400, dropped to 38, and immediately got bought up. So I'm like, ooh. Nation states are gobbling up as much as they possibly can.
They're accumulating our gold.
Yeah, well, China is for sure, right? I mean, they've openly stated that. So, guys, if you are enjoying the live stream and enjoying the flash trade platform with the charts trading, please drop a like, add a comment, and share it out with as many people as you can. We can get the word out for Trade Wars. We might be here soon, kind of mixing it up a little and maybe doing more of a impromptu live kind of style where we can pull in members of the audience and then you can participate directly as well. Let's see if we have any comments here. Hey, I can always count on you, brother. All right. Done. We have about 15 seconds left, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. What are we at? We're $1 above. We're $2 above.
We're just floating above break even.
We range. I feel bad because we ranged the entire time. And you know what? This really does play, even though it's difficult to trade. It really does play to a more volatile market. So
yeah, totally.
But just so I know we have a hard stop here. Let me this. What are we at? You can let it run for just a little longer. What do we got? What's directionally where are we going? I'm telling you, it wants to break up. I swear, as soon as we get off here, it's gonna break up hard.
It's gonna move, right? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's gonna go to like 167. And be like, dang. Happens every time. We're teeter-tottering. Thank you to Pyth for the live price streams, by the way. Shout out to Pyth, one of our amazing partners. Couldn't do it without.
Super smooth.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're integrating laser as we speak, so it'll be even smoother and those ticks will come in even faster.
We're down.
All right, what are we at right now? So the P&L, you could go to the bottom tabs. You'll see positions, orders, history, and P&L. Whenever you close, just give it 1 second to finalize on chain, and then we'll pull up the P&L.
Oh, no.
I want to see how close you are to everybody else. It actually looks like you did pretty good. Last place so far was some... he went 500x with the whole bag. And I mean, I'm not even kidding. It was like almost instant. He just liquidated. I think he only participated from like, I think he got in 10 minutes. Hilarious. At least, I mean, look, he lasted 10 minutes.
Yeah. I was considering 500x and then thought that might happen to me.
Oh, that's brutal. It could be savage if you're not. If it turns against you, it goes against you quick.
Very quickly, right?
Yeah.
Market does not forgive anything.
I would suggest low capital, and if you're just doing it for fun, no biggie. Yes. All right. Cool.
There
So
you go.
Z from Soulworks and Poll.Fun ended up with. Let me refresh this here on my end. Let's see. The final account. The final countdown. 54. He was negative $54.57. So the best performance we had so far, if he was standalone by himself. But the according to everybody else, he's probably at about number 4 on the price. Yeah, that's actually not that bad.
That's not so bad.
Yeah. Most people have lost everything. So yeah. But Magnus still with that positive $53 P&L, he was killing it. He did a really good job, but it was also hyper volatile when he came on. So a little bit different. But thanks, brother. I know you got places to go. I'm going to stop this music real quick. Give you some time to talk. And did you want to leave the audience with anything else? This will be clipped up. So if you say something cool, I can clip it up for you later.
Oh man, I need to think of something cool enough to say now. If you guys want to use the app, definitely go for it. If you've got any friends that are degenerate bettors, bring them into the app, bet with them. If you refer them, you get a little cash credit. You can use it on the web if you want to explore on the web before you jump on iOS. But yeah, tell your friends, tell your family, get them into the app, and let me know your feedback.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we greatly appreciate you hopping in here, of course. And as always, I'll see you in the market.
Likewise, brother. Take care. See you soon.
See ya. All right. So our next guest is the astute, the world-renowned golfer, from what I've heard. And he works for none other than DeFi Carrot. What's up, brother?
Hey, how are you?
I've got all of his details down below. 2 exits, by the way, which is pretty incredible. $40 million plus raised. And now he's currently working at DeFi Carrot. The link to DeFi Carrot, by the way, is there below. So if you want to check them out. Doing good, brother. How are you doing?
Good. I should have worn my suit, I guess.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir.
Look at that.
A little snazzy.
It's crazy.
Yeah. I had to be as ridiculous as humanly possible. And
the real question is, are you wearing pants?
I am wearing pants, thankfully. I mean, I can't.
Proof of pants?
Yeah, proof of pants. Oh, that's hilarious. Actually, I'm not even kidding. This live, I'm actually wearing pants, but the last live I did, I was wearing straight shorts with like flip-flops.
Almost got you.
You almost got me. Today I wore pants for real. That's too funny. Proof of pants. All right, brother. So just a quick intro, a little bit about you, how you got involved in the Solana, just broader Solana ecosystem. And then, of course, with DeFi Carrot, if you wanted to shout out anything with that, we'd love to hear it.
Yeah. So,
and you could share anything you want on screen if you'd like.
Yeah. Starting with maybe how I got involved in the Solana ecosystem. It was a little while ago. One of my previous companies, I raised a $35 million Series A, and one of the co-leads of that round was Sam Bankman-Fried. And he actually got me into Solana. So that might not be a popular answer these days, but yeah, back in the day, that's how it all got started.
No, that's insane. Well, that is a wild story. Did you get caught up, just out of curiosity, did you get caught up into the FTX fallout? Did you get hurt by it? What's the story with that? Or were you pretty much hands off?
Personally, I did not. Company assets, we had something like 1.8 million on FTX. We raised less than that from FTX themselves. So we went through the bankruptcy process and ended up selling that claim. I don't know, I think for maybe 87 cents on the dollar. So we got most of it back, but
yeah,
I'm not personally.
Yeah, of course. That'd be nice though. Not gonna lie. Little chunk of change back. Although the whole thing was a travesty in and of itself. But I mean, honestly, It could have gone a lot worse. I know people don't want to hear that, but it is true. It could have been a lot worse for everybody involved. It did look like they were able to recover the majority of those fees. But as far as DeFi Carrot is concerned, how did you get involved with them? What's your role? Tell us
Yeah,
a little more.
so I got involved with Carrot first as an investor. So one of my side gigs, I run the venture arm for the Google community on Solana, and Carrot was one of the companies that we invested in. And so I first met Carrot as an investor. I thought it was a great idea. I'm somebody that really loves on-chain yield. A big part of my portfolio, actually the vast majority of my portfolio now, is in some type of like yield farming.
Yeah.
And
Smart.
so it was a product that I wanted to use myself. So I met Jack and JSB, the two co-founders, and then twisted their arm and convinced them to let me to join the company. And I work more on like the partnership BD side of things, but I like to just call myself the janitor, do a little bit of everything, and clean up where I can.
Co-janitor here. Right on. Yeah, I call myself head of custodial services. So
like
we
that.
have a fellow janitor with us. That's
Fellow
awesome.
janitor. I got all the keys.
That's right. I do a little bit of the same here, kind of what do you call it? Jack of all, or jack of, what is it?
Jack of all trades, master of none.
Yeah, that's definitely me. I've got a little bit of a software background. I have obviously some BD background coming from another startup that we did, and just general overall live streaming. Hey, little multi-talent here. But yes, today, Trade Wars, just to let you know, because I know you weren't here earlier, once you log into the Cash Trade platform, all you have to do is go to the settings. You should see a option in the settings mode called funded wallet.
Okay, give me 1 second here.
No worries. Yeah, so the mechanism, just so the people watching know, by the way, if you're watching and you haven't shared yet, what are you doing? Get this out to more people. We greatly appreciate it. And leave a like, leave a comment. Really appreciate that.
Okay, so I'm logged in, and then where am I looking, or what am I looking for?
So just in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see settings. You'll see a little settings icon and settings button. So click that. The modal should pop up.
Yep. And then I'm looking for use funded wallet.
Yep. Perfect.
Okay.
Click that on, and then now you should be safe to stream because that is the funded wallet address. So now you have control through your wallet. It's a very neat mechanism that we built into the platform that we're going to be experimenting with you in the audience. We're going to be pulling people up. This is down the road. We're still trying to get that finalized. Right now it's with guests, but we're going to try to expand that out larger. But Alan, without further ado, whenever you're ready, share your screen. Don't feel pressured whatsoever. Take the trade whenever you feel comfortable. We have plenty of time. Unless you have a hard cutoff, I'm just going to put on some entertaining music.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's see. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Sure can.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Just the three majors, right?
Yep. So on Degen mode, you could do 125x all the way to 500x on Sol, BTC, and ETH.
We're gonna need to be on the 1 minute chart here, aren't we?
Yep. And then you can, if you want to auto scale, you can go over there. It should pop up once you hover over. There.
All right. Well, my bias today would be looking for shorts.
Yes. I completely concur. Unfortunately.
Yeah, unfortunately. Kind of like this spot a little bit here. So I haven't done this in a really long time. Actually, the last time I can remember being nervous to lose $100 was in 2018 on BitMEX.
No way. BitMEX.
Yeah.
Yes. So that was actually right when I got involved in crypto. I honestly was unaware of decentralized stuff. I was kind of just fresh to the game. I had not actually gone to school yet either. So I went to school, learned software development, got involved with Solana, and that's kind of all she wrote for me. I got super interested in software because of Solana.
Now, if we really wanted to please the audience, what we would do here is just open and close as many trades as possible and pump the volume for FLP holders, right?
Yeah, right. Volume.
Yeah. Would that be the best use of my $100? Is just drive.
You're
as
just
much volume
feeding
as
the
possible?
LPs.
That's right.
Just feed. That's what every time I hit a liquidation or a stop loss, in the negative, I'm like, you're welcome, LPs.
Yeah, you think of the LPs.
That's right. I have to sacrifice to the LP gods. That's what I call it.
I suppose getting liquidated is a pretty good sacrifice to the LPs as well, though, is it not?
Yeah. Unfortunately, if you looked at my portfolio, that's actually happened a few times with these volatile markets. Thankfully, I do typically hedge. But that's just a strategy I like. I've got a plenty into a diversified layout. Actually, FLP1, but diversified stable coins as well, kind of stable coin yielding. So yield
Do you know the
farming.
only thing better than FLP1 is looping FLP1?
That is very true. And if you don't know what that means, I'm going to share this really quick with you because it's actually it's a secret that everyone knows about. Kind of. Yes. Let's see. Let's go. Take this down. Yep. All right. 1 second. Boom. FLP1. I actually have it up on screen. That was thankfully I disconnected my wallet. I actually did not check, and then I was like, oh no, I think I have my wallet now. Oh, thank goodness. All right. But yes, FLP1 can be looped on the Carrot platform, just in case you didn't know. And if you want to find them on X and get to the appropriate website, the X account is down below. Of course, you can also follow Alan. I'm sure he is a hoot on X, as most BDs are.
I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but Carrot might be the only place right now where you can loop FLP1 at a negative interest rate. And that means you actually get paid to borrow assets to loop FLP1. And we're able to do that because of the partnership with Flash Trade. So thanks to you guys. For the next 3 weeks, you'll be able to loop FLP1 at a negative interest rate, which means we pay you to borrow the assets to loop FLP1. So definitely consider doing that.
Negative funding rate, but it doesn't mean negative for your wallet. This actually pays you to provide FLP1 for a limited time while the rewards last. You'll see the FLP rewards tab on there. As long as that lasts, it will pay you out to actually provide FLP to Carrot.
All right, now we just locked in our first trade here.
Okay, first trade.
We just locked in our first trade. We closed out for $6.83 in profit.
Let's see.
I think what we're looking for next is some decision here around this little range that we're in, because we only have 11 minutes. So
11 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock.
Can you still see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right, beautiful. We got a pretty nice close towards the bottom of that last candle.
Yes, you did. That was beautifully executed, sir, if I don't say so myself. You're a scalper? Is that what you've done in the past?
Oh, not since 2018. I haven't.
No. I was about to say that was pretty good. It was well executed.
I'm
a lot of people won't pull the trigger, and that's their biggest mistake.
You got to pull the trigger. I mean, the other thing to always consider is the fees that we paid here. So we paid $16 in fees, and even after that, we were still profitable. So far, it looks like a good decision, but I just want to give it a couple minutes here to see where we break out at the end of this little range.
Well, so far you're number 2.
Number 2, okay. What's number
Magnus,
1? Plus 50?
Plus $53 and some change. I'd have to get the exact number, but yeah, we're gonna create a little leaderboard call out once Trade Wars Season 2 is over, and we'll make an announcement who won the final battle.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. If I go for number 1, I'd say that's pretty minus CV, right? There's a pretty good chance I get liquidated going for number 1.
For sure.
And so
you got lucky.
One of the aspects of being a good trader is knowing when to stop. And
100%.
we might have to settle for number 2 going with sort of the bet that everyone else that you bring on here will get liquidated.
Yep.
And so all you need
has happened.
to be number 2, all you need to be number 2 is $6 of profit here.
Yep. Absolutely. Strategy game. Like chess.
Yeah. And so it's like, do I want to be number 2 on the leaderboard? Or do I want all of the glory? Max, would you settle for being number 2?
I'm not gonna lie, I would probably go all in, but I'm pretty bad.
Let's see.
I'd be like, I gotta get the number 1 slot. But yeah, that's just me being a degenerate. That's, it's the reason why I lost all my hair.
Well, in crypto, being bald is bullish.
Yes.
Think of all of the bald founders you can think of.
I mean,
the most notable, Armstrong.
Coinbase. Let's go.
Armstrong. Yeah. Trying to think who else. There are many. Why can't I think of them? Mert. Okay, we could talk about Mert for a moment. Bald guy.
Yeah, Mert's a big one for sure. Very successful.
Tully, not bald, but should be.
Yeah.
That's where we put him.
We're gonna cut that out. Cut. That did not come from our mouth. I'm just letting you know. No bad blood here.
Yeah.
No, yeah, you're right. Yeah, a lot of actually. What's the other? I was just trying to think of the other guy. There is one more. I know what he looks like in my head. I'm just not very. I'm horrible with names, unless it's repeated to me over and over again.
Not bald, but should be is a bad category to be in.
Yeah,
and I can say that as someone who's paid for my hair.
No way. Okay.
Yeah, I'm a hair transplant payer.
Let's go.
And
honestly, I wish I could afford it, but they'd have to do it like twice, 3 times, maybe 4 times.
Yeah,
this sucker's gone.
It's gone.
Oh well, yeah.
Next time.
Next time.
Next time.
Can they do a scalp transplant? Because I just need the whole thing. Like, let's just get rid of it.
No.
Oh man.
I think I want to short here again.
Good call. It looks like it's starting to touch resistance.
Oh, I gotta make up for these fees. But I think this will be our last trade.
Yep, we got 7 minutes and 42 seconds. If this goes against you though, you gotta close it quick.
No, if it goes against me, I'm gonna let it go.
Oh, okay.
There's no shame. I mean, if you're not going to be second, you might as well be last. I mean, it just doesn't matter at that point. So let's
ain't first, you're last. Shake and bake, baby.
Right. So I think we could either pad our. I don't think we'll get first, but I think we could pad our stats a little bit here and get comfortably into second if it comes back into the middle of this range.
6 isn't much of a lead. So yeah, if you could get to like 20-ish.
No, I don't think we're going to get to 20 after fees. I think we might be able to get to another 10, so we could get to like 16.
Bro, we're already at. You would already be. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh, we're already printing right now. What did you do? Oh, you did 300x. See, I thought you were much lower.
No, I went a little larger. Short.
Go. This is like the only time I'm rooting for it to go down, by the way. I apologize for anybody in a trade that's in a long. I'm not going against you. I'm just rooting for him. All
right, come on. A little bit farther into the bottom.
Drop. Yeah, this doesn't look like a bottom formation though, so we actually might fall out.
I think we're gonna take this.
Okay.
No, it's taking too long. Oh, I think it took too long. Yeah, that cut us in half. Too many fees. I approved the transaction a little too late.
Oh, okay. What are we doing? Let's see.
Sorry, we stay here for just 1 minute here.
We still got 5 minutes and 43 seconds, so it's plenty of time.
Might have been a little hasty.
Let's see if we kick back up to fake out, and then we could short again, potentially. Let's see. Resistance. It's hitting resistance. Where's the EMA? We're butting right up against it, I would be.
Yeah, I got impatient. Should I held this on?
We're breaking down below it now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and then let me see the bull. Oof. Yeah, we're at the high on the Bollinger Bands too, so we probably were going to break straight down. under the EMA again, and then pop back up later. But this also could be a good drag down. Potentially.
I think we call it here. I'm comfortable sitting at +3 and holding my number 2 spot.
Let's go. Yeah. Don't lose it all. Okay.
And I've got a hard stop too. So this is a good place to end.
Yeah,
but
you know
what I want to do? Don't send me the $3. I want to double it and give it to the next guy.
Let's go. All right. Well, we'll send it to the next Trade Wars participant.
That's right.
Your hard stop is when? In 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Right now?
Like pretty soon. Like 2 minutes here.
Okay. If you got a hard stop, no worries. We'll cut it short. But he is number 2, and he is the victor of the day. What's something I'd like to explore, I know you got a hard stop trying to talk really fast, is that all of our top 3 contestants come back and battle it out again.
Let's do it. That'd be good.
If you want to join us again for a rematch, that would be amazing.
Yeah, I'd love to do that. If I end up top 3. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. We only have a few episodes left, so you got a good chance.
Okay, good. Well, thanks for having me. I think actually closing that short looks okay now. We're okay with what we did there.
All right. Well, I appreciate your time, Alan. Anything you want to leave the audience with?
I think the parting thoughts I'd leave you with is, if you're someone that's into FLP and FLP is a big part of your crypto portfolio, check out Carrot. Consider looping your FLP for a negative borrow rate. It's sort of like the best case to do so right now. And if you have any questions about that, happy to answer them either in DMs or on Telegram. That's it.
Thanks, Alan. Appreciate it, brother.
You got it. Cheers.
See ya. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining Trade Wars. As you can see here, Alan really pulled it off. He will be second place next to Magnus. And then maybe we can get a little head-to-head going on. And something else I'd like to explore is the team fighting off head-to-head as well. That'll be super cool. But look forward to in the future, we're going to be doing Trade Desk. Tune in every Tuesday for Trade Wars. We greatly appreciate it. If you haven't yet, share this, like this, get it out to as many people as you possibly can. And keep in mind, if you're holding FLP1 or if you're interested in holding FLP1, it is on DeFi Carrot right now and has a negative funding rate, but that's not negative for you. That means you get paid to lend out your FLP1, and you can take on as much risk or as little risk as you'd like on the platform. It is so smooth and amazing. If you haven't actually checked it out yet, let me share the platform itself. So super easy to open a position. You literally just create a position. You can add in FLP1, or if you don't have any FLP, but you want some, you can use USDC. And then your leverage is right here. The best part about this platform, something that I personally love, is the fact that it's hyper responsive and it gives you immediate feedback on what your position would look like with the specific leverage that you choose. So overall, just an amazing, very, very well laid out platform, super user friendly, and mobile is also very, very good. So thank you to Carrot for, I didn't even share that, did I? I'll do that again. Share again. I'm a dummy. Share, and then you have to put it on stage. There you go. There you go, Mighty Mags. So, yep, you could enter your amount here, and then it is hyper responsive when you're kind of moving this back and forth. You can use FLP1, USDC, super easy. And then if you wanted to learn any more about the Carrot platform, you can also visit docs.flash.trade, where we do have under our partner section, everything lined out for you. So it is super easy and just simple for you to understand if you're needing a little help. And if you're not already, join our Discord, follow us on X, and we appreciate it as always. And I will see you next Monday on Flash Hour. And if I don't see you there, I'll see you on Flash Trade Trade Wars next Tuesday. Thanks for tuning in.